So we'll actually demo a few examples now. Let's make some, maybe another connect to the TV. To the
Yeah.
voice.
So first I can just mirror this phone screen on the TV. Show this on the TV. Find the devices.
It sounds
Okay.
very simple, but I'm telling you, it's very complicated. And if you do this at home, your kids will be impressed. Okay, maybe let's find the photo.
So I can just open the gallery. Open gallery.
Let's see whether we can set up, select a picture and make a wallpaper.
So I can just say, set this photo as wallpaper.
Usually making those kind of commands of setting a wallpaper is a few steps and you have to know exactly what to do. So it's a very difficult task to do. But with the Bixby, you can actually make it as voice actions and you will be able to get it done as quickly as possible. Now let's do frictionless experiences of calling someone. So if you think about calling someone on your smartphone, it's one of the most fundamental actions that you have to do, yet it takes 5 steps. You have to unlock the screen, go to the contact, find the persons, and then press the phone button, and then make a call. It's already 5 steps. So with the Bixby, as soon as you unlock the screen, the face recognition, and press the button and say call someone, you will actually make that call right away. Okay?
So it's going to recognize my face pretty quickly. So it's on lock right now. I just hold it up to my face. Push a button. Call Chris.
So you will go and find all the Chris in the contact list. If there are multiple of them, then it will ask you to make a selection. Otherwise, you will grab the first one and then actually make a call right away. Okay? Now let's do some complicated stuff. Whenever you travel to certain destinations, whatever, what do? You take a lot of photos, right? And then you come back home and you're trying to organize all the photos. Very difficult to do. So let's see whether she can actually go and then Bixby will find all the pictures that you took from certain locations.
Find photos from London. Find photos from London.
So with the S8, what this will do is that when you take a picture, it will save the meta information of time and locations. And so it will actually physically have London as a tab for every single photos. So you will go and find it. And then after you find it, then you can really create a photo album very easily with the Bixby.
So I just select the photos I want. Create a photo album named London.
Now, what you need to focus on is that she didn't refer to as these pictures on the screen one now. It already knew that you are looking at the particular screen and made a selections. So without saying specifically to those photos, it will go and grab those things because they are, it is understanding the context you are in. Okay? Great. Now, another thing that Bixby did is that when you look at the human natural interface, most important interface is voice. At the same time, we looked at how we see each other, and then using the smartphone camera to see how we can make it much more intelligent, so that it can be more humanistic natural interfaces with the Bixby. So let's give an example. I'm on a date with my wife, okay? And I'm not much a wine drinker, but I wanted to show off how much I know about this particular wine, right? So I can quickly ask Bixby about this wine, and it will actually tell you using camera.
So I can just ask it. Scan and search this wine. It opens up Bixby Vision.
Yep. Shoot is thinking. Usually.
Oh, there it goes.
Yep. Actually make those suggestions. So you can actually do so with actual voice, or you can just go into the camera, click on the Bixby Vision button, and then you can actually do that with a type. Other times you can do so with under the table, so you can try to know that yes, you actually found that. Another thing that you can do, I mean, how many times when you go to new places and you take a picture, and then if you want to find more about it, you go to different apps to search for it. If you want to get a recommendation, then to restaurants or whatnot, you go to different apps. Too many apps that you have to do for simple steps. So we did that everything on the Bixby Vision. So using a camera, you can find the locations, get more information, and get recommendations too.
Mhm. So I can just open up the camera and just select this little Bixby Vision icon in the
This
left-hand
one?
corner. It opens up Vision. And I can select place.
Basically give you the information about it, and later at the bottom you can actually find some of the other recommendations of restaurants or cafe or whatnot, so that you can actually go to all those locations. Now, final demonstration that we could do is shopping. So using the actual item itself, you will ask similar items to be found from the shopping. Okay.
Yeah. I just press shopping.
So you will go and find a similar one that you can actually find, but if you want to get the specific one, then you can either scan actual barcode or QR code on the item itself, and it will go and find it for you. Okay. So Bixby Vision is available on launch to all S8 devices. The Bixby currently, from voice language perspective, at first we're gonna support Korean and US English. British English will be coming soon in the future. I cannot tell you exactly when, but we actually know it's very high priority, so we'll support as soon as possible. But at the same time, because Bixby voice capability, we are trying to have a completeness in the application that we support. So at the get-go, we're gonna support 10 native applications of Samsung, such as gallery, phone, contact, camera, Bixby Visions, and weather, whatnot. And we're gonna soon make it available to rest of the Samsung applications, also third-party apps in the future. Okay. Any questions?
So would it work for, like, if you took a picture of someone's face and bring up their social media profiles?
Social media profile, I haven't done it yet. It actually does support images, so it actually connects it to the Pinterest and see there's a similar images. So we haven't done that for actual person's photo, but if your photo is available to the Pinterest, then I think you can probably find it. Let me actually give it a try afterwards. Any other questions? Great, thank you.